They have to kill me first. So now they can't kill me anymore. Unless they want to die.
Today we just had the Office of the Vice President receive the copy of this appeal.
Hello mga Kadonadeks! Eto na! Atat na talaga ang Malacanang. Biruin nyo ha! Biruin nyo! Nag-send na agad ng subpoena ang NBI sa Office of the Vice President. Grabe! Hindi man lang pinalampas ng isang linggo. Sabi nila siguro, ito na, pinakamagandang paraan na ma-impeach na si Sara Duterte. Over the, sinabi nila, assassination threat. Which is declared na ni Sara Duterte na it was not a threat, it was a direct response. Or shall we say indirect response kasi may 3 tao na ang nag-warn sa kanya na ipapatay siya ng nasa gobyerno.
3 na yon. One person warned me, another person warned me, and then I was asked during a press briefing by a media person if I know of these plans, if you can say the word, if that is the correct plans.
In response to that, sinabi niya sa meeting na yun na kung may mangyayari sa akin, sasama yung 3. Ganon yun. If, quote unquote, if may mangyayari sa akin, sasama yung 3. It was not a threat. Kung mamamatay si Sara.
So I answered. I was asked Romanov, and then I answered. I was told by 2 people. This is the first time I've heard of Romanov, so that is the 3rd already. And I said, don't worry about my security. If they kill me, if I die, kapag pinatay ako, or kapag namatay ako, in the context of don't worry about my security. So this means pinatay ka. Diba? Kasi hindi ka naman mamamatay by heart attack in relation to your security. Diba? So, pag namatay ako, I already asked a person to take revenge against 3 individuals. So, my question now to the administration, is revenge from the grave a crime?
So, but you already talked to a person.
Yes.
That
Yes.
in the event you get killed.
Yes. Yes.
So that much is clear.
Yes. So I had to die first. They have to kill me first. They have to kill me first. So now they can't kill me anymore. Unless they want to die.
Kaya yung Malacanang, napakakitid ng utak. Ang comprehension, napakababa. Tingnan mo naman, nag-double ng security personnel ang PSG. Grabe! What? Over what? Sabi nga doon na kung mamamatay si Sara, buhay na buhay eh. Bakit ka mag-double? Are you guilty? Aha! Ngayon, pinagalaw na nila yung NBI. Mag-send daw ng subpoena sa OVP. Let's take a look.
Today we just had the Office of the Vice President receive the copy of this appeal.
Kailan nyo siya hahanap?
By Friday po, November 29.
Sir, paano yun? Kasi hindi namin merong hearing sa Friday.
Opo, ang purpose po ng subpoena is to shed light doon sa mga utterances ng Vice President. So, usually po naman po, anytime po, pero by 9 o'clock, dapat
What if we hearing sa Friday?
pwede naman po siya magpadala ng emissary or ng kahit na sino messenger para i-reset o kung ano yun.
Pwede mag-isip.
Depende po, pwede naman po siguro kung talagang may urgency na.
Pero sir, physically, kailangan niyo pa siya.
Sana po, mas maganda kung mismong yung Vice President na pupunta.
Kasi yun lang nag-receive.
Ang kanyang, ano po, sa legal po nag-receive eh. Certain attorney, ano pangalan ito? Wait po
Abogado niyo.
Yes po, sa legal po,
Grabe.
si attorney Ebrole.
May sinabi ba kung makaka-attend siya?
Wala naman po nga definite na sinabi, pero tinanggap naman po ng anak. Tingnan nila.
Pwede bang i-ganun na lang yun?
Grabe, tingnan nyo. Napakadali lang nila magbigay ng sapina, no? Mag-process ng sapina. Dahil atat na sila. Atat na sila na makuha yung pwesto. Sinabi ni Tatay Digong, ha? Kahapon lang. Sinabi ni Tatay Digong kahapon lang, ha? Itong si Romualdez gustong maging presidente. Siguro si Bongbong magiging prime minister na. Gusto kasi nila yung parliamentary. Kaya, di nila magagawa yan pag nasa power ang mga Dutertes. Kaya, may apat pa na taon si Bongbong Marcos. 2 taon pa lang. Tingnan nyo na anong nangyari sa bansa. We are not going up. We are not going up. Sabi nga ni Tatay Digong, our country is in hemorrhage. Blooded. Because of what's happening. Anong klaseng administration to? They investigated ang 125 million na confidential budget. Confidential nga. Di pwedeng alamin. Pati piso, gusto nilang malaman kung saan napunta. Mga gonggong. Tingnan nyo anong nangyari kay Acosta doon sa Congress hearing. Sinabon, ginisa, nung demonyetang Luistro na yun. Pati pa ang pag-withdraw, sino ang kasama, sino nagbitbit. Anong klase? Nga bungog man mo? Basi gusto nyo nga ang Mindanao o Visayas madto diha sa inyo, ha? Para sulungon mo. Nga bungog. Karon nung sa nahitabo kay Acosta, ha? Na trauma. First time to. Grabe ka-humble kay babae, di ba? If you watch the video, napaka-humble mag-answer yung babae. Ma'am, gano'n. Hindi ko talaga po alam. Pero yung dumyetang Luistro yun, ayaw makinig. Kasi nga, sabi ko, many times, sinabi ko na, you are allowed to speak but not heard in the House of Crocs. That is the truth. Kaya let's cancel the Congress. Junatics, out.